Hi, I'm Bill.
Hi, I'm Lori.
And if this is your first time dropping into the channel, welcome. So we're underneath the majestic redwoods here at Portola Redwood State Park in Northern California. Purpose of this video, Lori, is?
Oh, we want to just show you how easy it is to travel with your uni, cook in your uni, and clean up afterwards.
And this is more of a camp style breakfast. Of course, when you go camping, you have things like cowboy beans and simple dishes. And then also at the end of the video, Lori's going to show you how easy it is when you're camping to clean your cast iron. All right, so
Okay. So we warmed up our sausages from dinner last night, and just from a cold start, and we'll put them on this tray and cover it with foil.
A little bit of a funny story. We came out here last night and we were going to make a cheeseburger video because cheeseburgers are very popular. We all have only done one cheeseburger video, and we realized we didn't bring the beef. So we switched to sausage. And the other thing is I got my dates mixed up, and we really did not have a reservation here last night. But fortunately they had space. My reservation was for next week. So it was one of those kind of days yesterday.
So I'm just putting a little bit of oil in the pan to add some sliced bacon, some chopped onions, and in this case I'm using some green pepper or whatever you want to use, or you could leave it out. Okay.
Okay.
So spread it out.
And to heat the leftover kielbasa sausage from Costco, which is very lean, I just put the sausage in the cast iron skillet pan in and turn the oven on. Really didn't have to heat it up. So we often use the warm-up period of the Ooni Koda 16 outdoor pizza oven to reheat appetizers and those type of dishes that can use that heat that's available while the oven's warming up. So, and this is almost the anniversary of having our Ooni Koda 16 for 1 year.
Right.
So, and
we should check the date of your unboxing video.
Oh yeah, my unboxing video, yeah. I'd like to forget that one. That was really poor quality.
Well, how about the burning steak? That was another.
Yeah, the burning.
I like.
And clearly one thing we like about the cast iron skillet pan is it's easy to rotate within the oven, so you don't have to move the food around. When we use the
Dual-sided grizzler.
Dual-sided grizzler, then you kind of have to move your food around because of the L burner design. But you want to take a look at this here? I kind of have it on low.
Oh, I think we might need
Go
to
up to high?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Aye, aye, Captain. We have the engines up
I
on
was
high.
I'm in an impatient cook.
Oh, so I don't know if you can see this. We have a little bit of wind. And there's some flames coming out of the side of the Ooni. We just noticed that recently when we find ourselves, it was on another camping trip at Beals Point Campground where we did the sopressata pizza, which we have up on the channel. We noticed that the flame comes out the side. We're not too worried about it at this point. And also, I'm probably going to do a really short video on this table. It's the Mountain Summit Gear table. And hopefully, as you can see here, there's a lot of room. It's, I think, can support 100 pounds. Packs up real small for a space saver.
Right, so take a look.
And you want to take a look? Okay.
Oh, a little bit more.
Okay. And as you can see, you have a nice little prep area with this table. We have some older videos of when we were camping with our Class A motorhome, where we used a different type of table that we got at REI. So we're really liking this one here. So I might do a short video. I know people are always looking to find the right solution. And this would be geared towards camping, but I guess you could even use it in your backyard if you had to. So
I think maybe I'll stir that stuff around a little.
okay. I think that's kind of good.
Oh
isn't
yeah,
it?
yeah. Well, the
Huh?
peppers aren't really that.
Oh, okay.
I think it's good.
Okay.
The bacon's cooked.
All right.
I use the pre-cooked bacon from Costco, so there's less fat and it cooks up really quickly.
Okay.
Okay.
So Lori, whenever you're pouring now, this camera is going to
Oh.
show it. So to the best that you can.
Oh, should I
Yeah.
move this? Let's move it closer. Or do you
Closer
think-
where? No, you're fine.
Oh, am
Yeah.
I? Okay.
Yeah.
So I already broke my eggs and I seasoned it with salt and pepper.
And I don't know what your experience is, but one of the tougher things to get out of your cast iron are eggs. At least that's our experience. And it's also a good test on how, eggs are a good test on how well seasoned your cast iron is. Would you agree with that?
I agree.
Okay.
Okay, I'm
And
going
that
to.
going in?
Yeah, I'm gonna add a little. I'd like to add Parmesan cheese or some kind of cheese to my scrambled eggs. So just a little bit.
And shh, don't tell Lori I turned the oven back down to low.
I think that's a good idea with eggs.
So, as you probably know, if you saw a couple of our other videos, we now have a Class B motorhome. And so space is really important to us. And the great thing about the Ooni Koda 16 is it allows us to leave our Coleman 2-burner camp stove at home, as well as our Weber Q grill. And the only thing the Ooni can't do is really percolate coffee, but we have a burner actually 2 burners, propane burners in our Class B 2021 Winnebago Solus 59PX, where we can percolate the coffee.
Okay, let's.
Oh yeah, I can. Boy, that's coming together nicely. And you can already get an idea how well seasoned you've been keeping this this pan on the way that the eggs are coming off when you scrape.
Okay.
Okay.
One other addition I just found recently is this ladle rest or spoon rest that's easy to travel with. It's silicone and it's a good kitchen tool.
Easy to clean up too. And I don't know what your experience is when you camp, but water is always a key factor. So having items that are easy to clean and don't take a lot of effort, as you're going to see with how Lori cleans the cast iron skillet pan, is important, at least from our perspective.
Yeah, I think these are ready actually. You could just leave it out. You might want to put in our toast.
Okay.
And we're just going to cook our toast right on the burner just like you would.
Actually, on the stone.
On the stone.
I'm not gonna toss it on the burner. But
Just like you would a pizza.
all right. So I think at this point, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside and we're gonna plate and sit down on our little dining area inside, and then Lori will show you how to maintain and keep this Ooni Cast Iron Skillet pan clean and seasoned. Okay, here we are. Lori's plated our breakfast. Very nice, Lori. Great job as usual. Okay, so thank you, Lori, for making such a lovely breakfast. It was a fantastic camping breakfast. And but now it's time to pay the piper. You got to clean up. So why don't you share with everyone how you approach it when we use the Ooni Cast Iron Skillet pan and other cast iron?
Okay, assuming your cast iron's already well seasoned before, I just use salt as an abrasive to clean out my cast iron. And then I used this particular foil I used to cover the sausages earlier. So the salt kind of scrapes off the stuff and absorbs any of the oil that might be in here. I even do this at home just to save the seasoning, because soap can strip that seasoning off. So after you after you clean your pan, then
you got a little.
Oh,
I'm gonna-
Mr. Meticulous here. You can just throw the salt away in your trash can, and then rinse your pan out with water, and coat it with a little. After you dry it, coat it with a little oil. Oh. Okay, and then you can wash it out with water.
And then dry it.
Dry it.
Hand drying with a towel is enough, right? You don't have to heat it up.
And then coat it with a little bit of oil to prevent rusting, and that should preserve your seasoning for the next time.
Okay, well, thank you for dropping into the channel. If you like this kind of content, what do we say?
Like, share, and subscribe.
And it's really been fun being out here at the Portola Redwoods State Park in Northern California. And we'd like to thank all our subscribers and those of you that drop into the channel. And as always, your comments and questions are appreciated. Other than that,
see you next time.
yeah, time for us to pack up and head home. See you next time.